Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone sign out not available. If you're using any iPhone and you are having an issue that your iPhone sign out button is not available, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. The first way is that you just have to open up your settings, and here you have to go for general, and you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available on your phone, or if you have any software update, try to update your software. And once you have updated your software, you just have to go back, and here if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to go for this screen time option, tap on it, and here select the content and privacy restrictions, and here you have to make sure that you have disabled all the restrictions, or if you have enabled, you just have to disable all restrictions. And once you have disabled, you have to go back, and here you have to look for this turn off app and website activity, tap on it, then tap on it again, and once you have turned it off, you have to tap on this setup screen time for family, or if you want to, or you can make lock screen time settings, but I'm not doing this. So once you have disabled that restrictions, so you can see that our sign out button is now available. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to open up your browser, and here you have to search for iPhone system status. So you just have to search for this iPhone system status, and then open the first website from here, and here you have to check if the sign out or sign in is available on your phone or not. You just have to tap on this plus option, and you will get all of the information from here. And here you have to look for the sign in or sign out option. Here's the iCloud account and sign in. Here you can see this is available, or if in your case it is unavailable or not available, so it means that you cannot sign out your Apple account. So you have to try to reset your phone. So in this way you can easily fix if your iPhone sign out not available. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.